Square this. If you square minus 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 30 plus 20 is 50 by 2 is 25. Just add 10 to this. 25 plus 10 is 35 and 35 plus 10 is 45, right? What is A? A is the assumed mean. 25 plus sigma Fi di. Sigma Fi di is 10 divided by n. N is 50 into h, interval difference is 10. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Mathematical and Statistical Computing class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty, Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding shortcut method to find the variance and the standard deviation. So already we have discussed a few problems related to standard deviation and variance using assumed mean method. Today I will take few more problems related to variance and standard deviation. Now straight away move to the first problem. Find the mean and standard deviation using shortcut method. What is the given data? The class interval 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 5, 8, 15, 16 and 6 is the frequency. Now arrange this in the tabular form. So class interval 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50 and Fi is 5, 8, 15, 16 and 6. Find out xi. Xi is a midpoint. Midpoint of this two. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Again 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. Just a difference of 10, 10. 30 plus 20 is 50 by 2 is 25. Just add 10 to this. 25 plus 10 is 35 and 35 plus 10 is 45, right? 40 plus 50 is 90 divided by 2 is 45. So add this sigma Fi. If you add, what is this equal to? So if you add 8 plus 5 plus 15 plus 16 plus 6, that's equal to 50. Sigma Fi is equal to 50, right? So that means here n is equal to 50. And what is h? The interval difference is 10. H is equal to 10. Find out A, the assumed mean. What is A here? So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the assumed mean. That is A is equal to 25 is the assumed mean. Okay. Now find out x bar. The mean x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi di. Sigma Fi di divided by n. Okay. Now first find out di. What is di? Xi minus A. Xi. What is xi? Xi as it is minus. What is A? A assumed mean is 25 divided by h. H is 10. So here xi 5 minus 25. 5 minus 25 divided by 10. 5 minus 25 is minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 2. The first answer is minus 2. Similarly, xi. What is xi? 15. 15 minus 25 is minus 10 divided by 10 is minus 1. 25 minus 25, that is 0 by 10 is 0. Again, xi is 35 minus 25 is 10 divided by 10 is 1. Again, 45 minus 25 is 20 divided by 10 is 2. So, di is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Square this. If you square minus 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now multiply Fi and di. Multiply these two. Fi and di. So what you will get? 5 into 4. Yes, Fi and di. This one. Now multiply Fi and di. These two. So 5 into minus 2, 8 into minus 1, 15 into 0, 16 into 1, 6 into 2. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Again 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. 15 into 0 is 0. Again 16 into 1 is 16. Again 6 into 2 is 12. This is Fi di. Minus 10, minus 8, 0, 16 and 12. Add this. So if you add, you will get sigma Fi di. This is equal to, what happens? Minus 10 minus 8 is minus 18. 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. So 28 minus 18 is plus 10. This is equal to 10. Sigma Fi di is equal to 10. Right. Now find out Fi di whole square. So Fi and di, sigma, and find out sigma fi di. So multiply fi with di whole square. 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. Next, 8 into 1 is 8. Then 15 into 0 is 0. 16 into 1, 16 ones are 16. Again 6 into 4, 6 fours are 24. That's it. Multiply these two, fi into di square, fi and di square. 5 into 4 is 20, 8 into 1 is 8, 15 into 0 is equal to 0. Again 16 into 1 is 16, 6 into 4, 6 fours are 24. If I add this, sigma fi di square is equal to, if I add, you will get 68. 20 plus 8, 28 plus 16 plus 24 is equal to 68. Okay. Now find out the mean. Therefore, mean x bar is equal to, what is the formula? A plus sigma fi di divided by n into h. What is A? A is assumed mean. 25 plus sigma fi di. Sigma fi di is 10 divided by n. N is 50 into h. Interval difference is 10. So 25 plus, so 0 0 cancel, 1 by 5 is 0.2 into 10. So 25 plus 0.2 into 10 is nothing but 2. This is equal to 27. So therefore, the mean x bar is equal to 27. Okay. Now find out the variance, mean and the standard deviation. So for that standard deviation, we have to find the variance. So variance is equal to, h square into 1 over n times sigma fi di square minus sigma fi di divided by n whole the square. This is the formula, right? Now substitute the values. What is h? H is 10 square. Sigma fi di whole square. Sigma fi di whole square is 68. 68 divided by n. What is n? N is equal to 50. 68 by 50 minus sigma fi di. Sigma fi di is 10 divided by n is 50 whole square. Simplify this. Now what is this equal to? 10 square. 10 square is 100. 68 divided by 50, 1.36 minus 10 divided by 50. 10 by 50 is nothing but 0.2 whole square. 0.2 whole square, that is equal to 0.04. Simplify this, is 100 into 1.32. So what is 100 into 1.32? 132. That's it. This is 132. So variance, therefore, variance is equal to 132. Now the standard deviation is given by square root of 132. What is this equal to? 11.4. So therefore the standard deviation is 11.4. Very important problem. Hope you followed. Right. Now move on to the next problem. Same. Find the standard deviation for the following data. Just standard deviation. This is a 7-marker question. So I will expect this question for 7 marks. What is given? Xi, Fi. Already we did this type of problem. 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. Fi is 7, 10, 15, 10 and 6. Now let us represent this in the table. Xi, Fi, Fi, Xi, Xi square, Fi, Xi whole square. What is Xi? 3, 8, 13. 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 18, 23. Okay. Then Fi 7, 10, 7, 10, 15, 10, 6, 10, 6. Now multiply these two, Fi, Xi. 7 3s are 21, 8 into 10 is 80, 13 into 15, 195, 13 into 15, 18 into 10 is 180, next 23 into 6, 138. Okay. Now add this. If you add Fi, sigma Fi 7 plus 10 plus 15 plus 10 plus 6 is sigma Fi is equal to if you add this is equal to 48. And similarly add sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi, that is 21 plus 80 plus 190 plus 180 plus 138. That's equal to 614. So sigma fi is equal to 48. Sigma fi xi is equal to 614. Okay. Now find out xi square. Xi square means this. 3 square is 9. 8 square, 8 8 is 64. 13 square, 13 into 13, 169. 13 square. Again 18 square, 18 into 18, 324. Then 23 square, 23 into 23 is 529. 529. So just find out xi square. 3 square is 9, 8 square is 64, 30 square 169, 80 square 324, 23 square 529. Now multiply these two, fi and xi whole square, these two, multiply these two. 7 into 9, 10 into 64, 15 into 169, 10 into 324, 6 into 529. 7 into 9, 9 sevens are 63. Again 10 into 64 is 640. Again 15 into 169. So it is 2535, 2535. Next 10 into 324 is 3240. Now last 6 into 529 is 3174, 3174. Now add this. If you add, you will get sigma fi xi whole square. So 63 plus 640 plus 2535 plus 3240 plus 3174 is equal to, so if you add this, 9652, 9652. Sigma fi xi whole square is equal to 9652. Now what is to find the standard deviation? Therefore the standard deviation rho is equal to 1 over n times square root of n into sigma fi xi whole square minus sigma fi xi whole the square. That's it. Okay. Now what is this equal to? 1 over n is 48 into square root of n is 48 into sigma fi xi whole square is 9652. 9652 minus sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi is 614 whole square. 614 whole the square. Simplify this. So this is 1 over 48 times square root of, multiply 48 into 9652 is equal to 463296. 4,63,296 minus 614 into 614. 376996. 3,76,996. Subtract these two. So 1 over 48 times square root of 86,300. Take the square root of this. 293.76. 293.76 divided by 48. So this is 6.12. So therefore the standard deviation is equal to 6.12. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this type of problem. Hope you followed. These two problems are very, very important for the point of examination for 7 and 8 marks. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.